Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we'll be taking a look at the stabilisation and the rolling shutter on the Sony ZV E10. Is it as bad as they say? Let's find out. Okay, so in today's video we'll be taking a look at the rolling shutter and also the stabilisation effect on the Sony ZV E10. This is using the included kit lens. This is the 16 to 50mm. Literally all the settings are pretty much on fully automatic. All I've done is I've done 6 passes in our back garden, which is slightly uneven, so it gives you a good idea of what to be walking on normal terrain. So I've done 4K with active steady shot off, with it in standard mode, and also with it in active mode, which is effectively digital. And then I've done exactly the same thing with 1080p footage, just to show you the difference. Obviously this is 4K footage, so the 1080p is stretched to fill the screen. So yeah, anyway, you'll get a good idea of what it's actually like. But yeah, done the same with the 1080p as well. So OSS is off, then it's in standard mode, and then it's in active mode. And I think you'll possibly agree with me that the results ain't the best. Anyway, check this out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so there you go. There is an example of the footage obtained from the camera, and I've got to be honest with you, I am pretty shocked how bad it is. I would imagine that even my iPhone, or for sure my Osmo Pocket 2, would be far, far superior. The rolling shutter on this camera is possibly one of the worst I've seen in a long time. So yeah, if you're considering getting the ZV E10, obviously make your own minds up if you think it's going to be absolutely perfect for your type of footage or for what you want to do. But I think for them to actually put made for vlogging on the box, I think there's a little bit of a trade descriptions act thing there. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments section below. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.